Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the IT class. So, this is the second class of our information and communication technology class, right? Okay, so did you hear first class? Okay, is there any doubt means you can contact me from the first class. Okay, so in this topic, we are going to study how to add pictures into our invitation card. Okay, in the last class we have studied all those things. We can just revise that, and today we are going to study to add the pictures and adjusting the size of that pictures. Okay, so we can go to the practicals. Okay, we can just revise what all things we have studied in the last class. So we have typed the invitation card and we changed the handwriting. So can you say which tool is used to change the handwriting? Is font style, font name. Okay, how can we change? Just select the word or sentence, then click on the font style box, and from here you can select any one. Okay, then we have studied to change the font size. For that, selecting the word, then here you can see the font size tab. Click on that. By clicking on that, you can change the size of the font. Okay, then next you have studied to change the color of the letters. How could we change the color? Just select that, then after go to the font color box. From this you can change the color. Okay, likewise you can change the color. Then here we can see an underline. So how could you give the underline? Yes, just select that. Here you can see the underline option. Then here you can see the italic option. Then this is the bold option. Okay, you can make the letters bold by clicking on the bold option. Okay, so these all things we have studied in the last class. Today we study something new. Okay, so this is the final invitation card that we are going to create. How it is? Is it looking good? Oh, okay. Here so we have to make some changes for making this invitation card. Here you can see a heading. What is that? Yes, birthday celebration. So we have to add the heading to our invitation card, that is in the capital letter. So press the caps lock option in your keyboard and type birthday celebration. Okay, so we have typed the heading. Now you have to make this heading into the center position. How could you make this to the center? Yes, you can select all. Then here you can see align left option. This is align center option. This is align right option and justified option. From this you can select align center option. So all the letters will come to the center position. Okay, then we can change the color of our heading. How could you change it? Yes, go to the font color box. From here you can change the color. Okay, then we can make this bold. We can give the underline option. Okay, if you want to increase the size means you can change the size like this. Okay, then see here you can see an image. Okay, so our next topic in this chapter is adding images to the invitation card. Okay, so I will explain how to add a new image to the invitation card. First of all, you have to place the cursor where you want the image. Now I am placing the cursor here, and you can see insert image option. Okay, this is the insert image option. So click on that. From this you could select the images from the computer. Okay, see I am selecting this image, so click on open button. See, now the image has inserted to our invitation card, but the size of our image is very big, isn't it? So we have to decrease the size of this image. For that, just click on that image. At that time you can see small blue color squares. See, this is the blue color squares in the image. Just click and drag on that image to reduce the size of the image. Okay. Okay, so this is the steps to insert an image into the invitation card. What are the steps? First of all, place the cursor where you want to insert the image. After that, go to the icon insert image. Then from the computer you can select the image from the school resources folder. After that, select the image, then click on the button open. Click on open button. Now the image will be displayed in the invitation card. Then select that image. Blue colored squares will be displayed in the corners of that image. From there you can click and drag that image to adjust the size like this. Okay, is it clear? This is very easy to insert an image into your invitation card. Okay. So these are the things that we are studying in this session. We can just revise that. Activity 1.1, let us type an invitation card. We have completed, we have typed the invitation card. Then here you can see placing your fingers on the exact keys. Okay, so you are having 10 fingers, right? So here are the keys and corresponding fingers. You have to click on the, or you have to press on the keys with these fingers. Okay, so space bar, here you can see space bar. By using which finger you can press on the space bar? Yes, thumb fingers. Then the keys Y, U, J, N, M will be clicked to, yes, the index finger of your right hand. Then the keys I, K and comma can be pressed by middle finger of the right hand. Then O, L full stop will be pressed by ring finger of the right hand. Then P, then slash can be pressed by little finger of the right hand. Okay, likewise the keys R, T, F, V, B can be pressed by index finger of the left hand. E, D, C can be pressed by middle finger of the left hand. W, S, X can be pressed by ring finger of the left hand. Q, A, Z can be pressed by little finger of the left hand. So today onwards you can type by using two hands with 10 fingers. Okay, so you can try by typing in your mobile phone itself. Android smartphones you can try typing with 10 fingers. Okay, so activity 1.2, we can make invitation card attractive. How could we make our invitation card attractive? Yes, we have changed the font style by clicking on the font box. That means we have changed the handwriting. Next, we give color to the fonts by clicking on the font color tool. Okay, then you filled this box. You studied about font name, font size, then bold, italics, underline, align left, center, align right and font color. Okay, and also you have completed activity 1.3. Let us add pictures. Okay, what are the steps? bring the cursor to the spot where you wish to insert the picture. Then click on the image button. Then select the picture you would like to insert in your invitation card from the window that opens up. Now click on the open button. At that time the image will be opened in your invitation card, but the size will be different. So we can adjust the size of the picture by clicking on the image. At that time you can see the squares at the corners of the image. By clicking and dragging on that squares, you can adjust the size of the image. Okay, at last our invitation card will be ready like this. Okay, so this is all about today's session. In the next class we can start Malayalam typing. Okay, we are going to make invitation card in Malayalam language. Okay, so you have to read the textbook, and the notes will be given to your WhatsApp group. Okay, you can complete the notes by looking and writing in the WhatsApp group and send the notes to my personal number. Okay, so if you are having any doubt means you can contact me and we can meet at the next class by the new topic. Okay, thank you.